Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the unboxing experience of Spigen's incredible Mac Mini stand. Now, I know what you're thinking, what's the big deal about a stand, right? Well, let me tell you, this is no ordinary stand. As I eagerly tear into the package, there's this undeniable thrill coursing through me. I mean, who would have thought that a channel with just one subscriber would get the chance to showcase something as sleek and innovative as this? The packaging itself is refreshingly simple, but there's this electric buzz in the air as I pop the lid. And there it is, nestled snugly in its plastic cocoon, the stand, just waiting to be unveiled, like a treasure waiting to be discovered. With each careful motion, I peel away the layers, revealing the stand's elegant design. It's like unwrapping a present on Christmas morning, except this time, the gift is all about style and functionality. As I finally free the stand from its plastic confines, it emerges, already assembled with the air filter in place. Talk about attention to detail, am I right? Spigen knows what's up when it comes to user experience. Now, let's talk about versatility. I flip through the manual and find instructions on how to detach the air filter. It's like Spigen thought of everything. So, without further ado, let's put this bad boy to the test with the Mac Studio. I slide it underneath, and instantly, I can feel the difference. Not only does it keep dust at bay, but it also gives the Mac Studio that extra boost, optimizing airflow for maximum performance. Perfect marriage of style and practicality, all thanks to Spigen's Mac Mini stand. It's not just a stand, it's a game changer.